The recipe underscores the significance of protein and calcium present in eggs, which are essential for promoting muscle health and fortifying bone strength. Furthermore, the video actively encourages viewer engagement by inviting comments and feedback, thereby nurturing a sense of community among its audience. In this context, potatoes are highlighted as a pivotal ingredient, recognized for their natural starch content that plays a beneficial role in lowering cholesterol levels and managing blood sugar. The preparation process incorporates specific techniques, such as peeling tomatoes and frying them until they achieve a golden brown hue, which significantly enhances the dish's overall texture and flavor. Moreover, the video accentuates the necessity of utilizing fresh ingredients like tomatoes and dill, which not only amplify the flavor but also augment the health benefits of the dish. Fresh dill, in particular, is known to support digestive health. Finally, layering the ingredients, including grated mozzarella cheese, emerges as a crucial step in the cooking process, culminating in a visually appealing and delectable final presentation.